How to take a long screenshot on Android. Modern smartphones are powerful tools that allow us to capture and share the content that matters to us. While taking standard screenshots is a familiar feature for Android users, sometimes you may need to capture an entire web page, chat conversation, or any content that extends beyond a single screen. This is where the capability to take long screenshots or scrolling screenshots becomes invaluable. Whether you're using the latest Android version with built-in functionality or seeking third-party solutions, this guide will walk you through the various methods to capture those extended views on your Android device. First method is by using the built-in screenshot tool. Start by taking a screenshot like you normally would. This is typically done by simultaneously pressing the power button and volume down key. If you have a Samsung, tap and hold the double arrow icon in the toolbar at the bottom till you reach the desired point, and release the icon once you've captured the entire content in a single shot. If your device lacks this built-in functionality, you can head over to the Play Store and download an application that can capture extended screenshots like Screen Master. Upon launching the app for the first time, it will prompt you to grant permission to access your files. Simply tap Allow. The app also requires Accessibility Service Permission. Activate the auto-scroll screenshot feature by toggling it on. Then tap OK to be taken to the accessibility settings. In the installed apps, locate Screen Master. Tap on Screen Master, enable the first toggle, tap Allow, and return to Screen Master. Customize your scrolling screenshot preferences by tapping on Auto-Scroll mode. You have 3 options to choose from, or 2 if you don't have the Pro version. I personally recommend sticking with the default setting, which is semi-auto. This setting scrolls to the next part of the page with each tap of the designated button. Now activate screen capture by tapping the green power icon. Tap OK to grant the necessary permission, and enable the toggle for Screen Master. Return to Screen Master and tap Allow once more. Proceed by tapping Next, and then OK. Navigate to the app or web page containing the content you wish to capture in a long screenshot. Look for a small floating round icon on your screen and tap on it. Select Start Now to initiate the capturing process. Choose Stitch to merge all your screenshots into a single image later. Tap OK. At the bottom, tap the plus icon to capture the second part of the page. Continue tapping this icon until you've captured all the necessary content. Each captured part will appear at the top of the screen. If there's any portion you'd like to exclude, simply tap the red Delete button in the top right corner of the screenshot. When you've finished capturing, tap the check button at the bottom. Select Auto Stitch. Then save your final image. You should now find the long screenshot in your gallery. Another free tool you can use that you probably already have is the Google Chrome browser. This approach is applicable only to web pages that you can access through Chrome. Chrome has its own long screenshot capturing ability that you can access through the Share menu. Tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner. Select Share, then choose Long Screenshot. This is fully manual. You can select which parts to include in the screenshot by dragging each arrow up or down. When you've finished selecting, simply tap the check icon in the lower right corner. Next, tap Save. And there you have it, 3 easy ways to take a long scrolling screenshot on Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.